It is the week of Halloween, and it's
Uh-huh.
so nice outside.
Gorgeous. Normally when Halloween comes around, it's like, okay, how do I add a jacket to my
Always worried about the
costume?
rain,
Yeah,
right?
how are we going to figure out how to plan a costume with the weather? But whatever costume you have planned out, the weather is not going to impact it at all. So I would say you're good to go. High pressure continuing to dominate. It's really interesting. This up to our north, this stream of clouds, this is the jet stream, but an area of high pressure below the jet stream where California, Nevada, the desert Southwest is. This is what's allowing us to see a lot of sunshine, a lot of heat that's going to continue to build through tomorrow before cooling down gradually by Thursday. It's not going to bring us any sort of rain though, so let's enjoy the sunshine and the warm weather while we can. Tomorrow afternoon, those high temperatures are going to be warming up a degree or two above what we felt today. They'll be sitting in the low 80s across our inland East Bay communities, maybe even some mid 80s sprinkled in there as well, and across our North Bay areas by the bay in the low 80s to upper 70s, and areas closer to our coastal communities, upper 60s to low 70s. I wouldn't be surprised though if Half Moon Bay, you did reach that 70-degree mark in downtown San Francisco, mid 70s tomorrow afternoon. That's a degree or two warmer than what we felt today. If you're lucky enough to live near Monterey, Santa Cruz, the beach, head on over there tomorrow. Although it's definitely going to be warm, you'll definitely need to grab the sunscreen, the sunglasses, with mid 70s in Monterey and upper 70s in Santa Cruz, and even warmer across those inland communities like Hollister and Salinas sitting in the 80s. So again, it is going to be warm through tomorrow. By Thursday, though, everybody is going to be noticing a cool down. You notice those colors that were once in deep and dark red, now in yellow? That signifies the 60s. That's going to return on Thursday. 63 degrees is the high temperature on Thursday afternoon in Monterey after being in the mid 70s tomorrow. Santa Cruz, it's going to be in the low 70s, but either way, everybody is going to be seeing those cooler conditions heading our way as cloud coverage begins to arrive. It's not going to arrive until overnight Wednesday and into Thursday, but look at Thursday afternoon. Cloud coverage is likely going to blanket basically the entirety of the Bay Area, and that's going to keep our temperatures a bit cooler, along with windier conditions, gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles an hour. Inland areas, once we're in the 80s, going to be back into the 70s by Thursday afternoon. That will continue down into the Santa Clara Valley and our North Bay, sitting in the low 70s at that, mid 60s in San Francisco, and low 60s closer to our coastal communities. So yes, by Thursday, it is going to be a few degrees cooler, but these temperatures right here, these are seasonable. It's not going to be below average. It is just going to be back to normal by Thursday. And then by Friday, we'll be warming right back up and into the weekend of weather ahead of us. So it really all kind of depends on what you like this time of year, what you're going to be getting. Warming up through Wednesday, cooling down a little bit Thursday, but little to no chances for any sort of rain.